Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel because in this episode I'm going to be making a camping hatchet. So okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want to go out camping, I want to get out there in the bush, but I don't have like a small hand axe, hatchet, chopper, tomahawk, whatever you want to call it. So I thought I'd really like to make one of my own ones. Now I don't have enough of the right kind of steel to make that out of, but what I do have is this little Ballpein Hammer that I bought in a garage sale for a couple of bucks. On top it's got number 40 written on there, which means 40 ounces, I think. And I think that's 2.5 pounds, which would be just over a kilo. I think there's enough mass in this hammerhead to make a really nice little hatchet. And what I want to do with it is I want to draw out the ball peen into a kind of a four-sided square point coming straight out like that. I don't want to make that point sharp. I'll probably just end up stabbing myself in the leg with it or something, you know. I want it to be blunted, but I want it to be about that long. Because actually, I reckon that would come in useful for kind of different things, like a little pickaxe kind of a thing. And on this end, obviously I want an axe shape, but I want that shape to be kind of bearded a little bit, so it'll be more biased towards the bottom there. It's already got an eye in it, so I don't have to make an eye punch, I don't have to make a drift. All I've got to do is take this old handle off, throw that away. I'll make my own handle for it, then I'll forge it, harden it, temper it, give it a try, and then I'll be taking it out camping with me. Happy days. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. That's the end of that forging. I must say, I had a fantastic amount of fun out in the forge making my little camping hatchet. As I said at the start of the video, I've drawn that peen out into like a little pickaxe. The front is like just like a regular axe, you know, from the head of the hammer. It's really quite thick because about halfway through that forging, I went to the charcoal box and it was empty. I completely run out of charcoal. I'm like, oh no, what am I going to do? You know, I can't just go out in the bush and go and get some more. So I forged it a little bit thick. So it's a little bit smaller than I wanted. But other than that, it came out really well. I was really happy with that forging, you know. Tempered it, the hardening and the tempering went really well. You know, I have ground this edge a little bit more because it is quite thick. The handle came off of the project that I did with the sledgehammer rescue, so I've got a free handle, just ground that down, put it on. It feels really good in hand actually. So I've had so much fun making this little hatchet. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video too. So until the next time we make another video, thanks very much for watching this one. See you later.